No lawyer. They don't deal with no lawyer there. She don't go from she come, she does into lock up. That's what the
blood
mailman
clot.
guy
So
told me.
wait there. Nicole, me, Miss Bling, get information of the lawyer name that she said.
Blinga.
Look, man, Nicole really.
Blinga, I can take you the bail bond, name, them number, and them address.
Guys, Jesus.
I can give it to you because I'm not to tell lie. Me just going to go sit down and talk to the man. And I asked him if he could pay 2100.
Guys, hold on. Taya says she gonna tell Ivany not take any visit from no one. This blood clotting why
Yeah, because yes, when I got
in
here,
a problem.
Miss Blinga, yes, when me go over there, I tell you, say me there outside them say 45 minutes. Somebody text me and said, Taya said she hears me dead here.
Taya, let me tell you this. You're very sneaking and you're on this live and you're watching. Let me say this to you, Taya. I know we are gonna do it, you know, Taya. I know we are gonna do it. Your day is going to fucking come. Because the reason for this, you have your friend were incarcerated upon a serious blood clot, some serious charges. Today, you're not gonna vex with me. Today, the whole blood clot, I'm not gonna vex with me. Because I look no friend from none of blood clot, you know. And you take up yourself the vacation where you shouldn't have blood clot go up on the one down at Georgia if you go find out one can do and jump up and down if you go look liar and look help for this. You shouldn't have had no blood clot vacation right now the way the situation where your friend in but it come like you have secret for Ivany. But Vany, me never know say you this is how me I go fall out you know. Me never know say you have secret because if you ask me, your whole shit is public. No. Out of the good heart, me know so we enough and inquisitive to take up this and all these things. But me I tell a lie, Taya, you see you, your day got blood clot come. Listen to you. But you go tell Ivany not to take any visit from no one. This girl, Cassandra, went down there and they're telling her, because the lawyer, you know, people, is a legit liar for truth and that shit. That's why I believe this blood clot, yeah. Because we see that the lady is a criminal liar. Taya, from day one your blood clot come here and me never like your spirit, girl. Me never like your blood clot spirit from day one, but I work with it. Because I see you're a mess, you're messy. And I told you on the phone call, you fucked up. You fucked up. I came out and I said, I'm going to try to clear your name when the people them are run with your blood clot name. When they send me the receipt them. Me not take time to look and see if receipt real from receipt fear. Because once you send me shit, me just blood clot look on it and call it a day. But I'm going to tell you something, Ty. You see your day is coming. You want Ivany to stay in that blood clot. Remember me tell her that. Me hope one time she blood clot come out, you can see you for who you are. You're terrible. You come here, tell people about you're in contact with her. And you're this with her. You have to stop it. Put yourself in a fair position, girl. You have to stop it. You have to stop blood clot it. I mean, me not friend none on the internet. I don't want me to keep a court case for the blood clot because it wouldn't done. It wouldn't rest. You have to see this and can blood clot come back by you some love. Because guess what? If you take the fucking money,
the girl when you fire is a Judas from day one. From day one, the girl is Judas.
Take the money and go.
From day one, the girl is Judas. You have to pack the money. Care and call. From day one, the girl is Judas. See ya? The girl when you fire from day one.
When Ivany
blood clot girl is Judas.
You did it and you uphold with every blood clot thing. I don't know where the fuck you come from. What kind of friend on a blood clot be? On a friend enemy, on a lick down people, on a cut Jesus slippers. You cut Jesus slippers and at this may I run from. You have to stop it. Ivany, I've like a blood clot, baby. When I breast them in the hard rock, right? Blood clot. Now I you the pan vacate. Me could have never to blood clot to enjoy myself. Me, on my birthday, I couldn't enjoy. And like me say, me know nobody never begged me for the blood clot, nothing. But me could have never enjoy my blood clot self and my friend in prison. When me done tore up and tore down and come on live and beg out blood clot. Forget the money for go pay for this for my friend. He's a wicked bumbo clot. Anyhow, you take the money that me say you have to pay about that blood clot. You can't have to see us and leave you so. You're wicked. So you need to come prove. Hey, hold on. Well, 1 second. 1 second. Me no want to sit down from dirty banks to them. Can't go say what I want to say. May I ask you to give me the liar phone number. I could ask the liar why the fuck she get paid. Guys, we work with what Taya say. All right. We work with what Taya say. So please, if you can find the number to give me, I need to call that office and ask them why the fuck she got paid and she didn't show up. Yeah. So yeah, go on and I carry me around the blood clot lane and fence. My ignorance.
Taya is causing confusion, guys. Don't listen to what Taya says. She is causing confusion. She do it on purpose too.
Let me tell you what the problem. Ivany come out here and Ivany surpass the whole of blood clot them and them still an iron balloon and can't bust. No, we are gonna bust you because that's what we are known for over here. But remember, we bust people and then we kill them blood clot back. You are gonna get a bus. You are gonna get a bus off of this platform. You're too wicked. Any hour so it go. You have 6,000 people on the live. One at a time, with their 8,000, 10,000 blood clot people are balling and moan. You little dirty blood clot. I don't care who want to talk to me, my love. You for stop it. You are friend enemy. You are friend killer.
The source that we do have right now, she is most credible source. No other source not credible because she went there. She's the most credible source. And me would have said, Miss Bling, continue doing what you're doing. You're doing a wonderful job.
Receipt, you know. At the night when TikTok liar come and dip in and go through, she starts sending out receipt and them. So they tire you to stop blood clotting. Then you have your little blood clot, nerd blood clot, no green card, bomber blood clot. Now no like pussy blood clot. When man done from blood clot, I come scare you. Look for you, know. Look and chat to nobody by yourself. I'll be a good girl, watch me. Top of the line, girl, them watch me. Girl, pussy we good. Girl, we have them man. Girl, we have 2 and 3, 4 man watch me. We're class of blood clot people over here so we watch blood clot me. So they can't say think I'm perfect. Like watch me. I'll be a big shot watch me. I'll be a working class people watch me. They want them when I work can count 1, 2 and. So here me I say to you. Move on the dibby blood clot. You think you can walk and chicken bomber and slap what I can want fuck with people over here so. You think a low life careless blood clot people watch me like uno bomber clot thing. You know how much of my bomber clot fans them better than the whole blood clot town and live better than uno all me. You know how much of my fans them live better than blood clot me. Hey, uno need to dip up underneath uno sour thinking mama. Uno have some set of Judas and crosses boy. You get to me I say these fucking people, they ain't robots. They ain't robots. Them fucking sit down here so from blood clot Friday them sit down here so. You understand? And everybody I feel pain. Everybody I feel the girl not come talk about people look views. Bitch, how the fuck you can't get no views then? How you can get no blood clot views and we go and bust your bumbo clot over here so. Remember, me can nobody else for Fred Ivany, my love. You get what me I say? Cause when you look blood clot friend and the whole I don't know blood clot that me are the queen of this blood clot and me done chat. And that me say, you know, always one girl for come out the character and them blood clot there. A whole heap of things me know I'm gonna say that I'm come and listen to your whole blood clot, you know. I'm a bill. You got what me I say, me bill and left, you know, I keep on a blood clot show. But your time up. Your time up. I mean I go on the road, I mean I come back, and so I come back. If that blood clot woman never show up a court with Ivany, girl, me I tell her this, your goose cook, you have to go run off of this blood clot. Your goose cook. Make sure say the liar didn't show up at the court because you told us that you paid the liar, then you want to hide and watch, girl. Lady, why you look like a hide and watch blood clot, girl? Why you fuck you look like a hide and watch, girl? Or do feel like so because girl come on your son act like waste blood clot, girl. I don't know can talk about his own come on TikTok come beg. People on blood clot TikTok beg more than pussy clot me because every blood clot there before cock put on them jaws them as a taps and roses catch his speed. Me can count the amount of time for the week when me play a blood clot match. Me say cash up sell and PayPal and put up live blood clot goal. And if me no get it, me pick me them eat. If me no get it, me still eat. If me no get it, me still blood clot live. You understand? So me not understand when I come talk about all girl do a beg pan this blood clot. You better me beg them pussy clot thief and come tell people one bag of blood clot story. For them send them hard earn money come blood clot give me. I mean I do what me say me I do with it. Uno for stop it. Uno for stop it. Uno have me. Advice of the people. I don't have the people them upset and miserable. Uno for blood clot, stop it. A time for uno stop them blood clots. You know, uno dey on bomba blood clot social media go like uno blood clot somebody. Anyone on any blood clot body? My blood clot fans, them a top girl and top man. I be a top people watch blood clots me. You hear me I tell you? Me looking at my comment section more time and I be a class, a bomba clot people watch me. Me can count the few Jezebel who watch blood clot me. And we get rid of some of them. On the two fucking road. And out of the line of blood clots. And I wanna come out and come go like some blood clot body. You don't want to get up and fucking walk and rob people. No wonder you drive up and down round the blood clot lane and pussy clot boat. Girl, you're a blood clot fraud. And if me ever find out, Father God, if me find out, say that blood clot liar and ever go into the court with Ivany, girl, you have to log over this the way we're going to drag your dirty blood clot. You have to stop it. You have to stop it. Tired of you. All you can do is say I'm blood clot live and chat, girl. No more than blood clot me. And the one I know over there chat blood clot, girl. Ma ask Christ. Ma ask Christ. No more than blood clot we over here so. No more than none we over here so. Suck no more than go no hungry na blood clot. You couldn't even raise the first 100 that hey, when I don't make off skin up my blood clot batty hole, you know. You couldn't even make the first fucking $100. But you go hide back a page and watch girl. You go hide on fake page and watch girl. Girl, trust me. You see the image where you portray to them people you on the app, you can't do it to none of it over here so. You can't portray none of them the image they over here so. But I don't really care who want watch me now. Enemy or whatever. I don't give a fuck who are really in contact with Taya. Right now, I don't care, me love. Them can't do anything. Any day I wake up and I don't hear my name, me upset because Blinga have to stay relevant, me love. We don't give a fuck. We don't give a fuck about them. Make them watch. Who cares? Nobody no care. Them are crosses and them torment. Them are fuckery. Them for go suck them mother if them have one. Or that me say, you're not a fucking friend. You're not a friend.
Auntie, two things again. Number one, Ivany has not seen any lawyer since she's in lockup from Friday. Number two.
Oh, you know that.
Taya has not been there to see Ivany since she is in lockup from Friday. Taya take the blood clot money and in our living room, go to the and anybody who know where Taya works, they gonna bring down Taya so the people that will know where Taya works start talk up the information. Cause we are gonna bring her down to in our living room in our bed right now. She not gone on my vacation. She take the girl money and download this receipt up and I talk and I go on like she send money to liar. She not send money to no liar. It's an app she use and do that Blinga.
Who come up with a nice thing?
You don't come up here with the nice, the dirty self now.
Miss Blinga, this is what me I say, right? This is what me I say. Why would they only pay the $1,050 to the jail and nothing towards the bond?
Exactly, why? And the bond is the most important thing.
That's why.
Because the guy tell me, the guy said no liar not go see her, and them have to release her. Once I pay the bond, and the band company release her, and then immigration come.
Thank
So
you.
there's no, she don't go see no, she don't go to no court, she don't see no judge because they don't angle it in Georgia because she on a wall. So that's why she not gonna see no judge down here.
Is it tomorrow morning you come? You're not going to be in your life.
To take the people that
So no liar never go there. No liar. No
we know
liar.
Taya tell lie for morning. When RTD say get one good liar, we can do both immigration and criminal. She said no, that is two different cases because guess what? She don't want Ivany to be out. So she make up this lie now. She said, get one, no, we don't need criminal lawyer. Only criminal lawyer we need. We don't need immigration lawyer because immigration will not see her. Immigration don't need to see her. This is the reason why Ivany is.
Mute your mic, no girl. Mute your mic, mute your mic, mute your mic.
And Diane can't do it anymore because the Department of Labor and Standards says
That is the level of evil that is. Everybody come and miss enough people that say good liar we can do both case. And she come up no.
All of them. And that's why them have up the girl on a dirty blood clot. But wait, Ivany have a spirit. Ivany have a spirit. What tell her things?
Miss Auntie, why you call RT, make RT dash a piece of obi upon her blood clot, cripple her too, and them she two teeth.
Miss Blinga.
The two
I have nothing more
teeth.
to say, but yeah, hear me, Miss Blinga. I don't know about the liar part of money, but the ban. One little bird pinch me and tell me say me enough to send up more to nobody. She say the ban never pay for true. She Taya never pay the ban.
All right, but
I
listen
don't know
up.
about the liar, but the
Little
ban
bird.
where she said she did pay upon her card, it never pay.
You know, you me tell her says
Listen
up
to
the
what
girl
me
used
say.
to all of that.
Listen to what me I say to you now. Me would
I'm sorry, Taya, wicked.
I need the proof for sure of it. You understand? That's why I need the proof tonight. Tonight before 11 o'clock. The liar went to
You know,
court.
the Taya never pay nothing. Me did that tell
Blinga,
her,
you
me say,
don't know-
from
you
Taya
don't know
said the
the,
liar.
She really wicked though. Me not tell no lie. She come on the internet and fool everyone away.
Think the
Me would
girl
think
never fool
everything
with.
alright.
She a stick the girl. She a stick maybe and she a blood clot.
You know me a jump and a go on when Taya, me remember Taya come on live and when Taya come and talk, you know, me say me and my cousin them there and we a jump up and I say yes, them at least she had help do something to Ivany.
She's
Me say
a
when me
wicked
get the
girl,
car,
cause
when
she said
somebody
Vani-
teach me and say Candy, don't tell nobody, don't please, she don't want
said
her
she
name out
talked
the
to
car.
Vani.
Taya know the person
She
with him.
talked
She
to
said
Vani
Taya
and Vani
don't
said the
pay no
liar. The
bond.
liar is
Yeah,
such a
it have
nice
button.
lady. The liar is such a nice lady. That's what she said.
Hello.
Liar is such a nice lady.
That's
why we know say she that tell lie because she cannot talk to Ivany so much time in one day. You cannot talk to Ivany so much time in What gonna
one
happen
day.
now? What gonna happen now? Everything gonna bust up tomorrow when Cassandra go. And that is the reason why she will tell Ivany no for take no call or no check from nobody. A
As
bus
far as
gonna
I
bust up
can
tomorrow.
As far as I can see, Vani never have no liar. She never have nobody for
She never
represent.
have none.
Because if she did have a liar,